What happens if I miss a mortgage payment? If you're worried about missing a mortgage payment, you're not alone. Let's break down what you can expect and what you can do to manage the situation. First, understand that your mortgage payment is typically due on the first of every month. If you miss this deadline, you usually have a grace period, which is usually around 15 days before you're charged a late fee. During this grace period, you won't incur any penalties, but it's still important to pay as soon as possible to avoid any potential issues. If you pay your mortgage just one day late, it's unlikely to have a significant impact on your credit score, but it's not entirely out of the question that your lender might report it to the credit bureaus. However, once you're 15 days late, you can expect to be charged a late fee, which is often a percentage of the overdue amount, typically around 4% to 5%. Missing a payment for a month will result in more severe consequences. You'll face late fees, and your lender will likely report the missed payment to the credit bureaus, which can lower your credit score. This can affect your ability to get credit in the future, and you might receive less favorable terms if you do qualify. If you're 2 months late, the situation becomes more serious. You'll receive formal, pre-foreclosure notices, and your lender may start taking more serious actions. Being 2 months late is a clear sign of financial distress, and continued delinquency can lead to foreclosure proceedings. If you're 3 months late, you'll incur all the previous consequences plus more. You'll face late fees, credit damage, and your lender will likely initiate the pre-foreclosure process. This is a critical point where you need to take immediate action to avoid losing your home. By the time you're 4 months late, the situation is extremely serious. You'll have mounting late fees, significant damage to your credit score, and your lender will have likely initiated pre-foreclosure proceedings. It's crucial to communicate with your lender at this stage to avoid foreclosure. Late mortgage payments can linger on your credit report for up to 7 years, making it harder to secure credit cards, auto loans, or other types of financing. Even if you catch up on your payments, the impact on your credit score can last for years. If you find yourself in a situation where you can't make a payment, don't panic. Contact your lender immediately. Many lenders are willing to work with borrowers to find solutions such as a repayment plan, loan modification, or forbearance. These options can help you avoid foreclosure and get back on track with your payments. Remember, communication is key. Your lender wants to see you succeed and become financially solvent, so they are often open to finding practical solutions to help you through financial hardships. By taking proactive steps and working with your lender, you can mitigate the consequences of a missed mortgage payment and protect your home.